Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vegan Brie. I talk about all things vegan and cruelty-free, mainly beauty. We are going to get into the Boxycharm by Ipsy. Everything was sent to me for PR. Nothing is sponsored. I just had to post this for a review, but it is my honest review, as always. First, we got the Violet Voss Berries and Cream Dreams Velvety Eyeshadows. It's the 10 color eyeshadow palette and Violet Voss. And I'm actually wearing some of these today. I'm wearing 3 shades. Oh, this is really cute. Very nice, like kind of cool tone. Really cool. I wouldn't say they're metallic, but they are still like a nice shine. So if you want like an everyday palette with like a little bit of, you know, something with like a little bit of sparkle, I think this would be great. Because it has like some berries, obviously, the name, that doesn't really mean anything. The cool tone browns, kind of like a pink, and like I like the shimmers. I'm excited to try the really sparkly blue one. And then we have a full, by the way, everything in this box is full size. This is by Murad. We get a lot of Murad, but this is the Essential C Toner. By the way, this is my daughter Aria. She is 5. She just woke up. She's been wanting to wake up earlier with us. This looks nice. I'm excited to try this. I don't really notice a huge difference with toners, but we'll see. And then we got this Estate Cosmetics Most Wanted Liquid Lip Balm. I thought was kind of cool. It's in the shade Cuff. It's just clear, but it's like a lip gloss, but it's like a thicker lip balm. And put that on. And then I'm also wearing this too. We get a lot of Ciate London. This is the Fierce Flicks Black Liner. I actually really like this. This is a felt tip, but I'm kind of having issues with the cap though. Like part of it's not the easiest to open, but it is very black, matte black. I don't know why I'm struggling. Like the cap keeps coming off like that with the applicator. I don't know why, but then I open it. Yep. And I really don't want to hit the black liner, but anyway. So it's a felt tip. I'm not touching that right now. I'm not getting black all over my hands. I'm going to work. And then I thought I already had this, but I do have a perfume from them, but this isn't it. This is the Gloss Modern Rose Bulgar Old Time. That's probably the worst French you've ever heard in your life. It is like a rose scent, but it's not like super like, I don't know, like old grandma-y floral. No offense to the grandmas, but it smells nice. It's I don't know if it's an oil or it's one of those like roller balls, but it's cute packaging. And the other one I have is, or I think I gave away the other one. I didn't really, it was okay. And then we have let's see. And then is that all we got? So that was this box. So we got, let's see, 1, 2, I guess you could say this is like a makeup. We got like 3 makeup products and 1 perfume and 1 skincare. So it's not too bad. That was a good box. What do you think, Aria?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you guys picked. Would you be happy with this box or would you not be happy with this box? I am not going to be getting my paid for box. I'm pausing. I'm going to wait till I see the September spoilers to see if I'm going to, you know, get the September box. We'll see. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Okay.